Hello everyone. In the last video we have discussed about the how to draw the staircase, how to give the compounds and how to give the sinks, and how many types of staircases can we take. Okay, so we have seen that dog-legged staircase, and this is the straight staircase, etc. We have seen in the last video. So in this video we will be adding the lights for this one. Okay, so that means in this video we will be adding the light components for the walls, and next we will be adding the lights for the ceiling also. Okay, so for that the wall lights are placed only in the hall sections only, because they are only given for the decoration purpose. Okay, so in this region we will be giving the walls. That means in this region we will be giving the wall lights. Okay, so for that let me go in this ground level, and here we have to see whether we have to place this side or this side, whichever you want. So I am placing one lamp here and the other here. Okay, so let us place these two lamps here and here. So for that let us go in the sectional view and let us give from here to here. Okay, next click on this one, the direction of the view will be changed. Okay, and next double click on this. First let me do this escape and double click on this. So here you can see the view, how is it visible. Okay, if you want you can view in this 3D view also. So here you can see this is a hall. Okay, and this is the staircase which we will be seeing. Okay, so next, so here you can see we will be adding the light components for the walls here and here. Okay, so for that let me go in this architecture and click on this compound option here, component option, and click on this place a component. Okay, after that we have to place the component. So for that go here in edit type and click on this duplicate, and we have to duplicate it, and we have to create the duplicate name for that light. So I am giving here as the wall lamp. Click on OK here. So the duplicate name will be created. Here you can see the wall lamp, and next we have to click on this load components. After clicking on the load components, we have to go here in lighting. After that we have to select the wall lightings here. So before that, here we have to select the architecture walls. Click on this internal, so that internal walls are being selected. Okay, so here you can see different, so but we want only wall lamps. So here you can see, so this is the wall lamp. So double click on it, so the wall lamp will be drawn here. Okay, so after that if you want you can change the color also, etc. So here you can see the wall lamp bracket has been given. Okay, so if you want to change the material you can go here. So here you can see the bulb material, whether it may be of glass or whichever material you want you can give. So here you can see there is a glass frozen, etc., glazed glass. Okay, so in this type of material we give this for the bulb material. That means for the bulb normally we will be using the glass. Okay, but if you want to use any kind of material we can use this. Okay, and next this is a shear material, wall mount material, etc. Okay, so here load classification, how the load should be classified. Okay, so this is a lamp, and lamp here you can select the lamp, whichever lamp you want. This is the voltage which we want to give. So, and this is the ballast number of volts. for the supportings. Lightning source symbol, this is the 2 feet. Okay, so here you can see we will be containing different kinds of things. Here light loss factor, this is a factor which you want to select. For example, here you can see if you want to increase the temperature, it will become brighter, or if you want to give the any voltage loss or gain factor, here you can give this the ballast loss, lamp lumen depreciation, direction depreciation, total loss factor, etc. will be given here. Or else you can also simply have simple settings in which light loss factor will be given. So how the light should be there, whether it should be a brighter or dimmer, etc. After that, let us click on this OK here. And next, here you can select the initial intensity. So here initial intensity, here the wattage will be present. This is the luminous flux, this is the luminance intensity, luminance, etc. Okay, so if you want to give the high intensity of light, then we can go for here and we can increase the luminous intensity to produce the light color in white. So white color light is given. Okay, so after that we have to click on this OK here. And next, initial color, what should be the initial color of the lamp. So here we will contain incandescent lamp or fluorescence lamp, metal halide, high pressure sodium lamp, sodium power lamp, mercury power lamp, etc. will be containing different types. Okay, so after that the color temperature, how it should be there, etc. will be chosen. After that, click on OK here. Okay, so here will be containing dimming lamp color, how the lamp position should be given. So, okay, either it is be incandescent lamp cover or what. So here the color fillet, that means the light which will be producing, what should be the color of that light released into the space. Okay, so here you can select the different kinds of lights. Here you can see, so you can select the different kinds of lights. So I am selecting this light so that you can view that, or else you can select any of the other lights also. Okay, next click on this OK option here. So here you can see the color has been given. So this color will be useful, and use this type of. Okay, so here it cannot be used in this position. Okay, so we have to give another one. So here you can see, here you can see what is the elevation which we should be giving. Okay, that means the height from the ground level. Okay, here you can see. Okay, here you can place it, but I'm going to place it here. So we can give different heights. So here you can see at different heights the lamps have been given. Okay, so here you can see how the lamps have been given. Okay, after selecting this, we can give the elevations also. So for example, I am giving it as 6 feet. On this apply. So here you can see from this point the elevation have been given. Okay, so in this way the lamps will be placed. Okay, so here you can see the lamps have been placed. Okay, so next what we have to do is we have to add the lamps. That means we have to add the interior lighting. we have to add the interior lighting for the building. Okay, so for that let us go here in view, click on this 3D view. So here you can see the lights have been given. So before adding light, we have to give the ceiling, so that on the ceiling the lights will be applied. Okay, so for that let us add the ceiling here. So for that, click here on architecture. After clicking on the architecture, we can directly click on the roof. We can directly click on the roof here, and we can select the roof by soffit. Okay, I am selecting this roof. Okay, so here you can see how the roof has to be. So we have to open the plan view to create the software associated with walls and roof. Use the pick roof edges and pick walls tools to create a non-associative soffit. Use the lines tool. Okay, so by clicking on this, we will be drawing the floor. We have created a roof soffit on the lowest. So after that, we have to click on this slab level, so that it will be moved to the up to the slab level. Click on yes option. Okay, so here roof soffit, we can go here and we can edit it. So here for roof soffit, I am giving here the distance as the, so for which I am giving it as a 2 inch only. Okay, click on this enter, and by category I am giving the material. For the interior material, I may give the wood or whatever, etc. So for that I am giving the wood finishing on the ceiling. Okay, so for that here you can see different floorings will be different materials will be containing for the ceilings. Okay, so for that I am clicking on this cherry. So here you can see that, so the wood has been given. Okay, let us give this material. So next click on this OK option here. So here you can see the cherry has been given. Next let us click on this OK here, and after clicking on the OK, so what we have to do is we have to apply it. Click on this apply option here. Next click on this OK option here. After that we have to give the roof soffit. Okay, so for that I am selecting here. So here you can see the how we have given the roofs. So for that ceiling I am giving from the outer walls to inner walls itself. So here to here. So here in this way, let us draw it. Let us move it here to here. Okay, here it has been created. Click on right option here, click on view option, click on view. So here you can see how the ceiling has been created. Okay, so here you can see at the slab level it has been given. Okay, so if you want you can also give the materials. So before that let us cut this section here and we will be adding the lights. Okay, so for that let me cut the floor here. Okay, so for that go here in slab level. After going on the slab level, let me select this roof soffit. Okay, After selecting on the roofs of it, click on this rectangle, or else let me go here, click on this modify here, let me select this roofs of it, click on this edit boundary here. After clicking on the edit boundary, work plane draw commands will be given here. So from up to here I am giving the opening. Here you can see it is not being selected, so let us move it. Let me select it. So next click on this right mark here. So here the floor has been cut down, so here you can see. So next let us view in this 3D view. Click on this 3D view here. So here you can clearly see the part has been cut down. Okay, so let us view in this back view so that we can clearly able to see that whether we have to cut some more section or not. Okay. So here let us also cut this section. Let me edit this. Okay, so edit boundary, selecting this line and moving this line. Let me go in the slab level. After that let me move this. So next let us, okay, it has been given, and let us view in this 3D view. So after that let me click on this right mark, here. Okay, let us view in this 3D view here. Click on the graphics, click on the create, click on the 3D view. So here you can clearly see. Here you can clearly see the opening has been given. Okay, in this opening we can entry and exit to the top will be carried out. Okay, so in the next video we will be seeing about the adding the lights, and we will be adding the slab also. Okay, thank you.